Have you ever been jolted awake in the middle of the night by a sudden cramp, so painful that you couldn't move? Or maybe you were working out when a violent muscle spasm forced you to stop instantly. That sharp, intense pain, your muscles tightening uncontrollably, can be terrifying, leaving you unsure of what to do next. Muscle cramps aren't just uncomfortable. They can also be a warning sign of a more serious health issue. Many people believe that simply drinking water will solve the problem. But in reality, cramps can stem from various causes, ranging from electrolyte imbalances and poor circulation to underlying conditions like diabetes or hypothyroidism. But don't worry, in this video, I'll show you how to stop a muscle cramp in just 30 seconds using science-backed techniques that provide instant relief. Plus, I'll share effective prevention tips to help you avoid cramps in the future. If you often struggle with cramps or know someone who does, make sure to watch until the end. You'll learn exactly what to do when it happens. Method number 1, stretching, instant relief. A muscle cramp occurs when a muscle group suddenly contracts and is unable to relax on its own. The sharp pain and tightness can make it impossible to move immediately, but there's a simple way to release the pain quickly. Stretch the muscle immediately. Stretching helps reset the muscle fibers back to a relaxed state, easing the spasm and providing fast relief. For calf cramps, as soon as you feel the muscle tightening, stand up if possible. Step the cramped leg back, press your heel firmly into the floor and lean forward while keeping your knees straight. You'll feel a deep stretch in your calf, helping to release the cramp. If standing isn't an option, sit down and gently pull your foot toward you with your hand. For hamstring cramps, back of the thigh, sit down, extend your legs straight, and lean forward until you feel a stretch in your hamstring. For a deeper stretch, gently pull your toes toward you with your hand. For quadriceps cramps, front of the thigh, stand up straight, grab your ankle with one hand, and pull your heel toward your glutes to stretch your thigh. If balancing is difficult, hold onto a wall or chair for support. Hold each stretch for at least 30 seconds and repeat if necessary. In most cases, the cramp will gradually subside and disappear. Once the pain has eased, gently massage the affected muscle to help it fully relax. Method number 2, nerve stimulation. A little known trick. Did you know that certain simple reflexes can stop a cramp instantly? A scientific study has shown that stimulating nerves in specific sensitive areas of the body can send signals to the brain, interrupting the chain reaction that causes muscle contractions and providing quick pain relief. This is a little-known method, but it can be extremely effective in emergency situations. Stimulating the upper lip. When a cramp strikes, use your finger to press gently on the area between your upper lip and nose, or lightly bite your upper lip for a few seconds. This stimulates facial nerves, disrupting the muscle contraction signals and potentially stopping the cramp quickly. Squeezing the skin between the thumb and index finger. A key reflex point is located in the soft tissue between your thumb and index finger. When experiencing a cramp, use your other hand to squeeze this area firmly for 10 to 15 seconds. The stimulation helps redirect your brain's focus to a new signal, rather than continuing the muscle contraction. Both of these techniques work by distracting the nervous system, allowing your body to relax and break the cramping cycle. While this method isn't widely known, it's definitely worth trying when you need fast relief. Method number 3, pickle juice, the secret of athletes. Did you know that pickle juice can help stop a cramp almost instantly? This is not just an old folk remedy. It has actually been studied and proven by scientists. Professional athletes often use pickle juice as a quick fix during intense matches. How it works. Pickle juice contains acetic acid, a compound that can stimulate nerves in the mouth and throat. When you take a small sip, the acid sends signals to the brain, interrupting the muscle contraction reflex and causing the cramp to disappear almost immediately. This happens without the body needing to absorb sodium or potassium, as its effect works directly on the nervous system rather than the electrolytes. How to use it. When a cramp strikes, drink a small spoonful, about 30 milliliters of pickle juice. You don't need to drink a lot. Just a small amount is enough to trigger the nervous response. If pickle juice isn't available, some studies suggest that diluted apple cider vinegar can have a similar effect. Note: this method is most effective for cramps caused by exercise or nerve imbalances, but may not work for cramps caused by serious conditions like hypothyroidism or artery disease. If you suffer from acid reflux or stomach ulcers, be cautious when using pickle juice because of its high acidity. Many top athletes have used this trick to stop cramps instantly, so why not give it a try? Method number 4, deep breathing. Controlling oxygen in muscles. Have you ever noticed that cramps often occur after strenuous activity or when you're under stress? One of the main causes is a lack of oxygen in the muscles, which causes them to contract suddenly and not be able to relax in time. Deep breathing not only helps supply oxygen to the muscles quickly, but it also helps relax the nervous system, effectively soothing the cramp. Why does deep breathing work? When you breathe shallowly or too quickly, the oxygen level in your blood drops, making your muscles more prone to cramping. Deep, controlled breathing will increase oxygen to the muscles, helping to release the contraction. Relax the muscles by stimulating the parasympathetic nervous system. Reduce stress and tension, which can also contribute to cramps. How to do it? 1. As soon as you feel a cramp, stop all activities and focus on your breathing. 2. Practice a 4-4-6 breathing pattern. Inhale deeply through your nose for 4 seconds, expanding your diaphragm and allowing the air to reach deep into your lungs. Hold your breath for 4 seconds, allowing the oxygen to circulate into your blood. Exhale slowly through your mouth for 6 seconds, helping your body relax and reducing muscle pressure. 3. Repeat this cycle 5 to 10 times, and you will notice the cramp gradually ease. Note: if you often get cramps at night, practice deep breathing before bed to improve blood circulation and reduce the risk of cramps. This method is particularly effective for those who experience cramps due to anxiety, stress, or overexertion. Combine it with gentle stretching for even better results. This is a simple, natural method that requires no equipment but has a powerful impact on the nervous system and muscles. Try it the next time a cramp strikes, and you'll be surprised by the results. Method number 5, heat massage, a solution for chronic cramps. If you often experience cramps, especially at night or after exercise, applying heat can be an effective method to quickly relieve pain and prevent cramps from recurring. Why does heat help reduce cramps? When muscles contract, the blood vessels around them also tighten, restricting blood flow and increasing pain sensation. Heat has the following effects: quickly relaxes muscles, helping them to loosen up. Enhances blood circulation, delivering oxygen and nutrients to the cramped muscle. Soothes the nerves, helping to alleviate pain and discomfort. How to do it? 1. Use a hot pack or warm towel and place it directly on the cramped muscle. If you don't have a hot pack, you can soak a towel in hot water, wring out the excess, and apply it to the skin. 2. Keep the heat on for about 15-20 minutes or until you feel the pain gradually decrease. 3. Combine with a gentle massage. After applying heat, you can use your hands to gently massage the cramped area in circular motions to fully relax the muscle. Tip to enhance effectiveness: if you experience cramps at night, take a warm bath before bed to relax your muscles and reduce the risk of cramps. Hot oils or massage rollers can stimulate blood circulation and enhance the pain-relieving effects. You can apply hot oil to the cramped muscle and then gently massage to warm the muscle. For those with chronic cramps, using a heated pad or hot pack on the legs while sleeping can help keep the muscles relaxed. When to use heat and when not to. Heat is excellent for cramps caused by poor circulation, cold weather, or muscle overexertion. However, if cramps are accompanied by swelling or bruising, you should use cold packs instead of heat to reduce swelling before applying heat. If you experience recurring cramps, try this method and combine it with other techniques like deep breathing, stretching, and supplementing with minerals for the best results. How to prevent long-term cramps. Cramps can happen suddenly, but if you experience them regularly, it may be a sign of an underlying issue. To prevent long-term cramps, adopt the following habits to keep your muscles healthy and reduce the risk of sudden contractions. 1. Supplement with magnesium, an essential mineral for muscles. Magnesium deficiency is one of the common causes of cramps, especially in older adults, pregnant women, or those who engage in high-intensity exercise. Magnesium helps relax muscles, stabilize nerve function, and support electrolyte balance in the body. Magnesium-rich food sources: dark leafy greens, spinach, kale, broccoli, nuts, almonds, pumpkin seeds, chia seeds, lentils, whole grains, bananas and avocados, two fruits rich in magnesium and potassium. Tip: if you often experience cramps at night, try drinking a warm cup of water with a little bit of pure cocoa powder or almond milk before bed. Both are naturally high in magnesium. 2. Drink enough water. Keep your body hydrated. Dehydration increases the risk of cramps because muscles need water to function properly. When the body is dehydrated, electrolyte balance is disrupted, making muscles more prone to cramping. How much water should you drink each day? Normal individuals, 2 to 3 liters of water. Athletes may need more than 3 liters depending on the level of activity. Tip: check the color of your urine. If your urine is light yellow, your body is hydrated. If it's dark yellow, you need to drink more water right away. Good drinks for muscles. Plain water is the #1 choice. Coconut water, rich in potassium and natural electrolytes. Caffeine-free herbal tea helps hydrate without stimulating the body. Limit alcoholic and caffeinated drinks, as they can cause more dehydration. 3. Stay active. Don't sit still for too long. If you sit for long periods at the computer, stand still for too long, or don't move much, your muscles can stiffen and become more prone to cramps. Simple exercises to prevent cramps. 1. Calf stretch. Stand about 60 centimeters from a wall, place your hands on the wall, and lean forward. Hold the position for 30 seconds. 2. Thigh stretch. Stand tall, bend one leg behind you, and hold your ankle with your hand. Hold for 20 seconds, then switch sides. Ankle and foot circles. Sit upright and rotate your ankle in a circular motion for 20 seconds on each side to improve blood circulation. Tip: if you sit for long periods at work, get up and move lightly every 30 to 60 minutes. Before going to bed, do some gentle stretching exercises to avoid nighttime cramps. In conclusion, to prevent long-term cramps, supplement magnesium from natural foods or supplements if needed. Drink enough water to maintain electrolyte balance. Stay active and stretch regularly to avoid stiffness. Apply these tips right away, and you'll notice the difference. Have you ever tried any of these methods? Cramps can happen to anyone, but you don't have to suffer through them. These methods are based on scientific research and real-world experience, helping you relieve pain quickly and prevent cramps in the long run. Share your experience with us. When have you experienced cramps? At night while exercising or during work? Which method has worked best for you? Stretching, drinking pickle juice, or deep breathing? If you have any better tips, don't hesitate to share them so everyone can learn. We always want to hear from you. Leave a comment below to help the community find more helpful ways to relieve cramps. Don't forget, if you found this video helpful, please hit like to support us. Subscribe now to never miss important health tips to help you stay healthy every day. See you in the next video.